Welcome to my channel. Today I'm making okro soup. I'm using gizzard, prawns and salmon. So first I'm going to add some blended onions to the gizzard and I'll steam it. I'll add stock cube, salt and some all-purpose seasoning or any seasoning of your choice. Then I'm going to add some water and let it cook. Okro soup is usually made with meat and fish, but I'm using something different today. Try using gizzard and you will enjoy it. I'm going to add my prawns. That is when the gizzard is well cooked. You add the prawns and the salmon. Let it cook on low heat for about 3 to 5 minutes and then you can set aside. Wash the okra and chop it. Add some water and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then you set aside. We are going to make the base for the soup. Pour palm oil in a pan. Add sliced onions and I'm going to add a blended mixture of onions, garlic and ginger. Blend tomatoes and pepper. Add the mixture and stir. Now cover and let this be on low heat for about 7 to 10 minutes. I'm going to put the gizzard, prawns and salmon in now. I'm going to mix the seasoning now. So get a bowl and put in stock cube, salt and any preferred seasoning. Add warm water, mix and pour it in the soup. About 3 to 5 minutes after adding the seasoning or spices, add the okra and stir it. You have to let this cook for about 10 to 15 minutes and then you can serve. My okra soup is ready. I'm serving it with banku. If you enjoyed watching this, then please subscribe and let me know what you think about my okra soup recipe. Thanks for watching.